everyone. Today I am going to cook quick and easy paneer chili. You can also say homemade paneer chili. For this I will need capsicum, onions, chilies, paneer cubes, chopped ginger garlic, at first I will fry the paneer cubes a little, not deep frying. In the same kadahi, I will add onions, then I will add capsicum, then I will add green chilies and chopped ginger garlic. After this, I will add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, soya sauce, and chili tomato sauce. Then I will add paneer cubes. And cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also cut the capsicum and onions into square shapes also. Our dish is ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe.